I'm so hungry, baby. What you got for me? Feed me something delicious. Mmm.
Oh wow, Billy John.
Good day, good day. So we here, we're gonna fry these oyster mushrooms up. You seen we had it in the other video, if you watched the other video where we ate at the restaurant Norsh and we had these. So I said, I'm gonna try to cook them. But they're oyster mushrooms. I got my almond milk there, my flour, and this is Doritos, Thai chili. They, from what I understand, these are supposed to be vegan. I also we're gonna put them on biscuits. We got biscuits that are Pillsbury, the southern recipe ones or whatever, southern style. They're supposed to be vegan also. So do your due diligence if you're really vegan and that's all you eat. The process is I'm gonna dredge these in my solution. I made with almond milk. I'm gonna put in the flour. This is a fava bean flour. It has, seasonings and everything in it. Take it from there. And dredge it in these Doritos that was crunched up. Thai chili Doritos, that's what they are. A little dip. Dip that one enough, that's what it is. Got some of it, but I think I need more of the dredge on it. And give me a double coat. One. See how that comes out? I'm gonna sit that here until I get a couple of them so it won't fry them evenly. So we double dip it here. One with flour, and we're gonna dip again. The Dorito mixture. Then I use Doritos that was crushed up. Thai chili Doritos, that's what they are. Double dip. Dip that one enough, that's what it is. I got some of it, but I think I need more of the dredge on it. And give me the double coat. One, we actually cook this stuff. So this is the difference in us and most reviewers. And we're not just reviewing food, giving you opinion. We're going to actually cook it and see how it is. And that's the fun of it. You should be able to cook what you eat. Some people, they don't want to do that. Like my production assistant here. They don't want to cook nothing. They love to eat. They love to eat. They love to eat. You see how that came out? Don't take long to cook. Very easy process. It's coated, ready to go. And you're going to see the sandwiches, final product, what we make with biscuits, arugula, Thai chili sauce, and pickles. Okay, so the finished product is here. This is what we got. And as you see, it's like a family style. You know what I mean? We're going to make a sandwich out of it. This is the Pillsbury Southern style biscuits. Like that. Make you a sandwich out of it. Smash that down. Put you a little bit of fries. And voila, we got it. It's a chicken sandwich made out of mushrooms with a biscuit. Now that's good. And then, like I said, the bread and butter, pickles we put on there, fries, and that's dinner. That's it. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe, watch, like, comment. Check out the links. Shop PhillyJohnMerch.com. Links in the bio. Also, check out our YouTube on the other one, YouTube Food Vlog. Check out the Instagram, TikTok, all social media. Comment, like, share.
YouTube food
Thank
vlog,
you for joining us. Now carry on, people.
Oh wow, Billy John.